Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's pre-market analysis, we are breaking down the Nifty 50 index and uncovering the key resistance and support levels you need to watch for tomorrow's trading session. The Nifty closed today at 25,742.65, down by 81 points, showing some consolidation after recent moves. I'll walk you through the exact levels to trade, where to place your stops, and what the market structure is telling us. So stay tuned till the end, this could be your edge for tomorrow. Today's market snapshot or key observations. Looking at today's price action, the Nifty traded within a range, with a high near 25,758 and a low around 25,700. The sell zone around 25,758 held as resistance, while buying emerged near 25,700. The index is currently consolidating below the 25,800 mark, which will be our immediate resistance tomorrow. On the higher time frame, if we break above 25,800, we could see a move toward 26,100. But if selling pressure continues, the support near 25,600 to 25,500 will be crucial. Tomorrow's resistance or support levels. Alright, let's get into the actionable levels for tomorrow. Resistance levels. 1. Immediate resistance 25,802. Strong resistance 26,003. Next target 26,100 minus 26,200 if momentum continues. Support levels. 1. Immediate support 25,702. Strong support 25,603. Major support zone 25,400 minus 25,300. The bias remains cautious unless we break and close above 25,800. A break below 25,600 could trigger further downside toward 25,400. Trading strategy or scenarios based on these levels. Here's how I'm planning tomorrow. Scenario 1: bullish breakout. If Nifty sustains above 25,800 with volume, look for long opportunities toward 26,000, 26,100. Keep stops below 25,750. Scenario 2: bearish breakdown. If price breaks below 25,600, consider short positions targeting 25,400, 25,300. Stop loss above 25,650. Scenario 3: range-bound action. Between 25,700 to 25,800, trade the range with tight stops. Buy near support, sell near resistance. Also, keep an eye on Bank Nifty for confirmation, since financials often lead the trend. Key indicators or market sentiment. The momentum is currently neutral to slightly negative. Watch for pre-market cues from global markets, especially the US indices and SGX Nifty. Any gap up or gap down outside these levels will require adjusted strategy. I'd recommend waiting for the first 30 minutes to gauge direction before taking aggressive trades. WRAP or call to action. So there you have it, your pre-market blueprint for Nifty tomorrow. Key takeaway: trade the breakouts with confirmation, respect the support and resistance zones, and always use a stop loss. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for daily market insights, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's analysis. Drop a comment below with your levels or questions, I read them all.